Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into the LG S70TY 3.1.1 Channel Dolby Atmos Soundbar with Wireless Subwoofer. If you're looking to enhance your home audio setup, this detailed review will help you understand why the S70TY might be the perfect choice for you. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The LG S70TY soundbar boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends into any home theater setup. The soundbar itself is slim and elegant, featuring a brushed metal finish that exudes a premium look. The wireless subwoofer is compact yet powerful, allowing for flexible placement without compromising on aesthetics. The build quality is excellent, reflecting LG's reputation for durable and high-quality products. Audio performance. At the heart of the LG S70TY is its powerful 3.1.1 channel configuration, delivering a rich and immersive audio experience. The soundbar is equipped with Dolby Atmos technology, which creates a three-dimensional sound field that envelops you in the action. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the S70TY delivers clear and dynamic sound that enhances every moment. Dolby Atmos and DTS. One of the standout features of the S70TY is its support for Dolby Atmos and DTS. These advanced audio technologies provide a more immersive and realistic sound experience by adding height channels that create a sense of space above and around you. The result is a truly cinematic audio experience that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Wireless subwoofer. The included wireless subwoofer adds deep and powerful bass to your audio setup. The subwoofer connects wirelessly to the soundbar, allowing for easy and flexible placement anywhere in the room. The bass response is impressive, providing the low-end rumble that adds impact to explosions, musical scores, and other bass-heavy audio. iSound Pro. The LG S70TY features iSound Pro, an intelligent audio optimization technology that automatically adjusts sound settings based on the content you're watching. Whether it's dialogue-heavy scenes, action-packed sequences, or music concerts, iSound Pro ensures that you always get the best audio performance without having to manually tweak settings. Connectivity. The LG S70TY offers a wide range of connectivity options, including HDMI eARC, Optical, USB, and Bluetooth. The HDMI eARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, provides a high-quality audio signal and allows for seamless control of the soundbar with your TV remote. Bluetooth connectivity enables you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, adding versatility to your audio setup. Smart features. The S70TY is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing for convenient voice control of your soundbar. You can easily adjust volume, change tracks, and control other smart home devices with simple voice commands. The soundbar also supports LG's SoundSync technology, which provides seamless integration with LG TVs for a more cohesive home entertainment system. Final thoughts. The LG S70TY 3.1.1 Channel Dolby Atmos Soundbar with Wireless Subwoofer is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio experience. Its combination of powerful audio performance, advanced Dolby Atmos and DTS support, intelligent sound optimization, and versatile connectivity options make it a top contender in the market. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or a music lover, the S70TY delivers an immersive and high-quality audio experience that will elevate your entertainment setup. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.